people, large or small, has their own set of beliefs, whether it be culture, religion, or society influencing them. Chinese have their own focus on a religion called Confucianism. It is run by ethics, education, and political meeting. Their main focus is love, worshiping ancestors, and elderly respect, and this is through thoughts and action. They focus on optimism and human nature, and this started in 551 before Christ, spread by a man named Confucius. Although he is said to begin the beliefs, he himself does not think he started the religion. It started in China and was spread throughout the area like Korea and all those places. Since all beliefs are different, for example, our view of abuse may be a form of helping others in a different culture. And I think I'm credible to talk about this since I did research previously for a report a couple semesters ago. I think it's important, especially for people in the healthcare field, because you're always working with different people and people from different descents and cultures. Medical beliefs are a vital part of healthcare in every location because we all have a right to care. Chinese traditions are unlike what our location is used to, these including yin and yang and cupping. The first is yin and yang theory, which is two opposites that are yet a pair. So like the moon and the sun. The moon is yin, the sun is yang. Yin is known to be female, negative, and cold, and yang is known to be male, positive, and hot. Yes, they are different, but they balance each other out. Jay Shan, a Chinese news expert, said that they are not able to exist without the other. So they are a balance of mind, body, and spirit. This process also helps in diagnosing and treating disease in their culture. So if the two are balanced and you're healthy, if they're not, then you're sick. So if you have an excess of one, and then you don't have enough of the other. For instance, if it's really cold outside, you are known to have too much yin, which causes the yang, which would be your sore throat because it's hot. To treat an illness, you need to rebalance it out, and other beliefs in our culture would be known as abuse, like cupping, which is one of the oldest therapies seen, and it's found in one of the first medical books that they ever made. It's known to suck the bad from your body, pretty much. According to WebMD research, it shows to mobilize blood flow and also has more of a placebo effect to it. So this process, you'll have like the person laying down, and you'll take a cup and put like a form of flammable substance in it, so like alcohol or something like that, and then you'll set it on fire, and as the fire dies out, you flip it over onto their skin, and as the air cools, it causes a vacuum effect, so it causes the skin to rise, and it makes it really like reddened. It's placed on there for 10 minutes, and after those 10 minutes pass, depending on how long you want to wait, they'll pop it off, and it usually takes about 10 days at least for the welts to go away. So when you're assessing a person and you notice like huge welts on their back, you can't just look at it as abuse. It could be their form of helping someone. WebMD says that it's used for a blood disorder, arthritis, skin issues, migraines, anxiety, depression. Side effects are discomfort, burns, bruises, skin infection, and can also cause, like in our society, for us to call like social services if it's done on a child. In conclusion, when you hear one talking about the yin and yang theory, don't panic, just work with them. As a healthcare worker, it's your job to make them better, not judge them by their beliefs. So before working with a patient, you should always take the time to look into their background and their culture to see the different forms of therapies that they may use to give, and I hope this gave you a better idea of the beliefs of the Chinese descent.